Welcome to the Detox BodyBlast Cleanse, my honest review. We reviewed 100 plus weight loss brands. You will be shocked at what we found. Don't buy until you read and watch this video till the end. Are you confused? Having some question in your mind about Detox BodyBlast Cleanse? Blah blah blah, burr burr burr. What is Detox BodyBlast Cleanse? What are advantages of Detox BodyBlast Cleanse? What are disadvantages of Detox BodyBlast Cleanse? Could Detox BodyBlast Cleanse amp your sex life? How it works. Detox BodyBlast Cleanse. Detox BodyBlast Cleanse have any special discount? How to use Detox BodyBlast Cleanse. Detox BodyBlast Cleanse free trial available now? What are Detox BodyBlast Cleanse ingredients? How safe and effective is this product? Detox BodyBlast Cleanse have any side effects? Detox BodyBlast Cleanse real customer result. Where to buy Detox BodyBlast Cleanse? How much cost? Does Detox BodyBlast Cleanse is scam? What is doctor opinion? Does diabetes patient use it? 100% genuine, natural product? The cheapest price surety? Immediate delivery of your orders? 100% secure checkout? 30 days buyback guarantee? Same day dispatch on the order status? Who is buzzing about the Detox BodyBlast Cleanse? I will clear your all question/confusion about the Detox BodyBlast Cleanse. Please visit the website, click the below link, and read complete info of your answer. Click the below link. Know complete information about your confusion.